Hi, we're going to talk about how to add new field under Report Builder. So in SQL, they have two fields, whereas fixed field, another one is database field. So from the screen here, from the label until this part, this will be a fixed field, where if you didn't see this from your report, you can go to View and go to Toolbars and make sure standard component is ticked. So now I will explain. Normally we will use label and rich text in a normal report. So let's say label is only for one row. Let's say I want to add a label called send2. Okay, so I just fill it the words I wish to add on and make it move the place that I wish to add. And for rich text, it's more than one line. So you can go to rich text here. Maybe I want to place it under the footer. So I right click and go edit and just type it whatever I wish to add on. So this is something like words also. You can make it bold, underline or italic. It's up to you, and you can change the font size too. So after done, you can just close it and click on yes. The second field is database field, where so-called changing field. For example, like company name, whenever in the invoice I change to another customer, so the company name will change too. So normally, changing field we're using DB text or DB rich text to present in the report. So like example, DB text. Okay, so we add on maybe I have a agent, so I make sure I call the DB text already, and under the parameter make sure I'm choosing the correct parameter and I assign as agent. And for the footer part, maybe I need to add on a note. Okay, then I call out DB rich text under here and go to main and you select the note. And the same idea for the more description, where you can come to subnom document detail and come from here and you can mapping your document detail and description tree. So this is using for more than one line. And also there's a features for DB rich text also, where you can right click and you can do it as stretch or shift relative to. Okay, let's say now description have more than one line, and after description I want to show more description, but I cannot be expect every single line is the same length, so I make it as description as a DB memo and more description as a DB rich text. So after description, so I want it to right click on the DB rich text, where more description come to shift relative to, and switching after description there will be show with more description subsequently. So this is the usage for shift relative to. In future, maybe you want to invisible some field, maybe like discount you don't want to show under the report, you can highlight it and right click and go to invisible. So this is how we hiding up. And also under unit price, if you don't want to show when it is 0, you don't want to show, okay, you can highlight and right click on it and make sure you have tick blank when 0. The same too for the quantity. And we also can set the display format for unit price. Let's say I want the unit price have 3 decimal, then I can right click, go to display format and set the display format like this example and press OK. So after done everything, then you can go to file and save as a new report, or you can save to replace the original one. So look at here, this is the sample where just now I had add the label sent to and my agent, and just now I had hidden up the discount and also the footer. So this is how you add the field. We can also add line under the report builder. So like example, I come to line here and I highlight here. I can make it longer, or if I want it to be vertical line, then under here make it as left, then it can be a vertical line. So this is how you make it as a horizontal or a vertical line in SQL. And the same thing too, we can add a shape like I want to add a rectangle, okay, or you can choose either by square, by ellipse, by circle, is up to you. So this is how you created your shape, and so on. We can add also some logo or picture in report. So how to add in? Then we can come to the picture here, image, click on it. Maybe I under the footer load a photo, so I can right click on the image and go picture, and I can select the logo, example ISO, open, and you can, oh, it's too big, and you can right click on it, make it as stretch, so it will fix on the square box that you have fixed the size. So after done, just save it. Nevertheless, there's also variable can be added on. So what is variable? Actually, this is something like calculation that will write some simple query and system will calculate it. For example, you can see the screen here, like the variable amount here is all using the variable function. You can right click and go calculation, and you can see this is all the query updated here. And there are also, we need to mention our page number, then we can use a system variable. So we come to here, system variable, and call it up, maybe put under the footer. Yeah, so the system variable is up to you. You can choose many type of here, page set, description. Okay, so after done, and just save it.